Good morning, students. Let's start our next chapter, that is the reef. Okay, first of all, let's discuss what a reef is. A reef is a bar of rock, sand, coral, or similar material just below or above the surface of the sea. बच्चे, reef is a kind of rock which is made up of sand, corals. What are corals? Corals are the tiny sea animals. When they die, their remains are left. They are corals, means the skeletons of the animals. All these together, the sand, the corals, or some other dead remains in the sea, form the reef. Okay, now I hope you all must have understood the meaning of reef. It is a kind of rock, okay, which is made up of sand, corals, or some similar material just below the and above the surface of the sea. Okay, now let's come to the new words first. Enchantress, female magician. You must have watched the magic shows. The person who performs the magic is called the magician. But if she is a lady who is performing the magic, she will be called enchantress. Breeze, a gentle wind. Breeze, everybody knows, hawa, a cool breeze is blowing. Then lapped, of waves that came up against the seashore. Lapped means when waves come rolling, overlapping each other and come to the seashore. नदी के किनारे तक आते हैं लैप करते हुए waves, तो उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Lapped. Flipped, turned over quickly. When you quickly turn over the pages, you are reading any book and you quickly turn over the pages, we say you are flipping the pages. Stack, neat heap or pile. Stack, बच्चे, you should know stack is a collective noun. Stack means pile or heap, like a stack of books. Means बहुत सारी बुक्स जब इकट्ठी पड़ी हैं तो what we say, a stack of books. Teeny peek, quick look, जल्दी से किसी चीज़ को देखना, a teeny peek. Hatch, an opening in a ship's deck for lowering cargo. Okay, hatch is the gate of the ship or a submarine from where we enter. Slammed, to shut forcefully, usually making a loud noise. Slammed means when we shut the door very forcefully. बहुत ज़ोर से जब हम डोर को शट करते हैं तो हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Slammed. Scrambled, crawled or climbed quickly. Scramble means crawl or climb, crawling or climbing quickly. Maneuver, how will we pronounce this word? Maneuver. Okay, what is maneuver? Move skillfully or carefully. बहुत सावधानी से skillfully जाना. Squirted. Squirted means releasing liquid in something from a small opening in a speeded form. Okay, when we eject, like in injections, when the doctors fill in the injection and the squirt in the patient, into the patient, है ना? She squirted soda into the glass. उसने सोडा को ग्लास में squirt किया. Is that clear? Next is in front of, in a position just ahead. You know, in front of, you have already done in the prepositions. In front of means आगे, जो चीज़ आपके आगे है, that is in front of. Showed up, appeared, came. Showed up means when you can see something, when something becomes visible to you. That means showed up, that is appearing. Now let's start the lesson, the reef. First of all, beta, let's read the disclaimer of the lesson. What do you mean by disclaimer? Disclaimer means that it's just a story. It has no relation with the living persons. Means just think that you are reading a story. Don't relate it with any person. It's just mere a story. Okay, so let's get started. The story has been taken from the book Dolphins at Daybreak from the Magic Tree House. Now, first of all, let me explain you what is the series of stories. You all must have seen Harry Potter. Harry Potter is also a series of stories. Like there are different stories having different names in Harry Potter. Different stories are there in Harry Potter having different names. So means Harry Potter is a series of stories. Similarly, there is a series of stories that is a magic tree house, and one of its book is Dolphins at Daybreak. This story has been taken from Dolphins at Daybreak. Okay. This story is about a boy Jack and her sister Annie. Okay. In the story, Jack dreams about an enchantress named Morgan Le Fay and a magic tree that could transport him and his sister Annie through time and space. Now, what is in the story? Jack is dreaming in this story. What is he dreaming? He is dreaming about an enchantress. एक फीमेल मैजिशियन का की वो ड्रीम कर रहा है जिसका क्या नाम है मॉर्गन ली फे. ओके. एंड अ मैजिक ट्री, एक मैजिक ट्री भी उसको दिख रहा है ड्रीम में. वन एंचेंट्रेस एंड वन मैजिक ट्री जो उनको ट्रांसपोर्ट कर देगी. कहाँ ट्रांसपोर्ट कर देगी? थ्रू टाइम एंड स्पेस. मीन्स it will carry them to some other time, not the present time that they are living in. Some other time means in past or future, in some other time and space, जो उनको किसी और टाइम में और किसी और स्पेस में ले जाएगी. It's a dream. Okay. Later, Morgan gives them an ancient scroll and a book Ocean Guide. Afterwards, what happens? जो Morgan है, that is the enchantress, the female magician, वो उनको क्या देती है? वो उनको एक ancient scroll देती है. What is a scroll? What do you mean by a scroll, बेटा? Scroll means it's a roll of paper or cloth. It's a roll of paper or cloth. You must have seen, beta, in the stories or in the mythological stories or the stories of the kings, that whenever the kings used to read the message sent by someone, it was written on a scroll. Scroll means it is a roll of paper or cloth with wooden sticks by its sides. उसकी साइड्स पे क्या होती है? वुडन स्टिक्स होती हैं और वो रोल हो जाता है जिसको हम ओपन करते हैं. उसमें कोई मैसेज या कुछ वी कैन नोट डाउन, आइदर वी कैन नोट डाउन और इट इज़ ऑलरेडी रिटन, इट इज़ सेंड बाय समवन. ओके. तो मॉर्गन जो है, शी गिव्स देम एन एंशियंट स्क्रॉल एंड अ बुक ओशन गाइड. एक पुरानी स्क्रॉल देती है उनको और एक ओशन गाइड देती है, बुक देती है जिसका क्या नाम होता है? ओशन गाइड. एंड टेल्स देम दे नीड टू सॉल्व 4 riddles. And what is in the book, what is in the scroll? There is written in the scroll, 4 riddles are written in the scroll. And the first riddle on the scroll is that they must find something that is rough and grey with a treasure inside. उस scroll में बच्चे क्या लिखा होता है? उसमें 4 riddles होती हैं that they have to solve. Okay? तो उस riddle में क्या होता है? First riddle किसकी होती है कि it is something rough. आई एम समथिंग रफ एंड ग्रे. मैं एक बहुत रफ और ग्रे कलर की चीज़ हूँ जिसके अंदर एक ट्रेजर है. वॉट इज ट्रेजर? खजाना, जिसमें खजाना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर. अ ब्रीज ब्लू थ्रू द विंडो, seagulls cried, waves lapped the shore. Annie picked up the riddle scroll. She unrolled it. Together she and Jack read the riddle. Now a breeze blew through the window. Seagulls cried. What are seagulls? Seagulls are aquatic birds. They are making sounds. Waves lapped the shore. Now the waves are lapping on the shore. Annie picked up the riddle scroll. What did Annie do? She picked up the riddle scroll, the scroll which Morgan gave them. She picked up the riddle scroll. She unrolled it. She opened the scroll. And what was written in it? Together she and Jack read the riddle. अब वहाँ पे क्या था? scroll के अंदर riddles थी. And together both Jack and Annie read the riddle. And what was the riddle? Rough and grey as rock, I am plain as plain can be, but hidden deep inside there is great beauty in me. What am I? Now the riddle is that rough and grey as rock, that I am rough and grey as rock. जैसे rocks होती हैं, चट्टानें होती हैं, वैसे ही मैं rough और grey कलर का हूँ. I am plain and as plain can be. I am that much plain कि मेरे से ज़्यादा plain कुछ भी हो नहीं सकता. But hidden deep inside. But where am I? I am hidden deep inside. I am in something deep. I am hidden somewhere. There is great beauty in me. What am I? मेरे अंदर बहुत ब्यूटी है, मैं बहुत सुंदर हूँ. What am I? कौन हूँ मैं?